Hi guys, this is a video on long division of polynomials. In this video I'm going to use an example cubic here, and we're going to divide it by this example linear here. Okay, so first thing is a couple of words. This original expression is called the dividend, and what we're dividing by is called divisor. Okay, we're going to use this long division division bar, and we're going to put it into the form. You might be familiar with this. Okay, the dividend goes in here and the divisor goes on the outside. We're going to divide this by this. Okay, a couple of things. The result, we're going to get a quotient at the top, that's the answer, plus a remainder. Okay, so there's 6 steps for the long division algorithm. So if you follow these steps and do it exactly, you will get the correct answer. I'm not going to go through these all in one. I'm going to show you each step as we go along. Okay, so the first step is to divide the first term of the dividend by the highest term of the divisor. Place the result above the bar in the quotient. So what that's asking you to do is to divide x3 by x. Okay, first term in the dividend by the highest term in the divisor. Okay, just a little thinking bubble over here. X cubed divided by x is x squared. Okay, place the result x squared above the x squared in the quotient, above the bar. Okay, step 2, multiply the divisor. Okay, this is all the divisor by the result we just obtained. Write the result under the first 2 terms of the dividend. Okay, so what we're going to do here is multiply each term in the divisor by the result we just got. Okay, so little thinking bubble, x squared times x is x3, and x squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. Okay, we place that underneath the corresponding columns in the dividend. Okay. Step 3. Subtract the product just obtained from the appropriate terms of the original dividend and write the result underneath. Okay, so now we've got this product that we just got. We're going to do a subtraction. Okay, so now we need to think about what is x3 take away x3? Well, that's 0. Okay, and the reason we do that is we're eliminating, we're going to eliminate each term in the dividend until you have nothing left. Okay, so these should always equal 0 because that's how you created them. Okay, when we're taking away, it's you need to remember that even if this is a negative, okay, so in this example 2x squared take away negative 2x is going to be 4x squared. Okay, so what that gives us is 0, cancel these 2 terms, cancel out to 0, and these 2 terms add up to 4x squared. The next step, well, the first term should be eliminated, which we did. We eliminated the x3, and now we have 1 term left. Okay, each time you do divide the dividend by the divisor, you need to have 2 terms. So bring down the next term from the dividend, which is minus x. Now, this is where we start repeating. Okay, so using the expression just written down, so this one here, as the new dividend, repeat steps 1 to 4 until there is no more numbers to bring down. Okay, so if you go back up to step 1, we will divide this by x and place it up here. Okay, we just follow the same steps over and over again. Okay, so if you do 1 to 4, you'll need to do it 3 times to get nothing left. Write the result of the last subtraction as the remainder. Okay, so you'll have to do this 3 times, and you will get, at the end, you'll get something left, or you might get something left. In this case, it's 17. That is your remainder. 3 repetitions, so you need to do this subtraction 3 times, is required for this example. So a cubic divided by a linear will yield a quadratic in the quotient. Now, the way to write this, okay, there's a couple of forms you can write this in. So this original dividend is equal to the divisor multiplied by the quotient plus a remainder. Okay, so these things are equal. Because we divided this by this, and that's what's left. Okay, if there is no remainder, then the divisor is a factor of the dividend. We'll talk more about that later. Thanks for watching.